Hello friends, welcome to Hemant YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn first of all pure play forms, second chop shop approach. What is pure play form? Suppose you are a company, you are a private limited company. You have started business with less capital. It has become huge successful. Then you want to convert into limited, that is listed company. Then you have to decide the price. Okay, first of all, how do you decide the price? The price is decided mainly, for example, if Infosys PB ratio, we all know PB means market price divided by book value is 1.5. That means the current price is 1500 Infosys, but its book value consists of 1000 rupees. Book value is 1000, market price is 1500. That means PB ratio is 1.5. Now, if your book value is 400, you have to keep it as 600. Okay, 600 into number of shares. This is nothing but finding market value for a private limited company or anything which is not listed based upon valuation of other company which is listed is nothing but pure play approach. It no need to be listed, but it should be a relative one. So the technique of identifying firms which publicly traded securities which are engaged solely in the same line of business as the division or project in the question. So it is nothing but finding the business which who is your competitor and valuing your thing. First of all, what is chop shop approach? Chop shop approach is also same, but is also similar to pure play forms. But what is the difference? For example, you are in the business. You are in the business. Your name is SVT Limited. Okay, you are in the business of IT. You are in the business of drones, that is different manufacturing. You are in business of household things like soaps, shampoos, like this. Okay, now which competitor we have to select? Pure play form says that select the competitor who is your that one, but here who is the competitor? For information technology, Infosys is there. For drone areas, some other company will be there. For household, there will be HUL or Nestle or ITC. So the chop shop approach says us take one division, take this IT and compare with take this IT and compare with ITC. Sorry, Infosys. Take this household, compare with ITC. Like this, take division and compare with this company. This is nothing but the chop shop approach. This approach is used for valuing conglomerate diversified firm. So when you are well diversified, this approach applies. We break the firm into poles and calculate the value of each part share price. So this, okay, each part share price and we consolidate. Finally we get the value. This is nothing but chop shop approach. This is used when multi-industry companies that are undervalued and would have more value if separated from each other. For example, if you take ITC, all business are good except that hotel industry. Due to that hotel industry, it is going down. The share price is not increasing. So this approach, when we use totally earning per share or PB ratio will fall. Due to that, our value using pure platform will undergo. So when we use division wise, all division will outperform except that hotel industry. Due to that, value will be increased. So identify the firm. What are the steps? First, identify the various segments, business segment, when we take information technology, household and etc. Segment and calculate average capitalization ratio. What is different ratios will be raised? PB ratio, capital to sales ratio, capital profit ratio, like this. calculate theoretical market based upon each of the market value calculate. For example, PB ratio of ITC is 2.5. Now take your household book value 400 into 1.5 600, like that. Calculate for 3 division and add that, we get the total theoretical market value. For example, let us say an example using the chop shop approach. Assign a value for Cornet GmbH, whose stock is currently trading at a total market price of 4 million. For Cornet, the accounting data set forth in 3 business segments. See that GmbH has 3 segments. First, consumer wholesaling. Second, specialty services. Third, assorted centers. So segment sales, segment assets, segment income they have given. Industry pure play, the industry data also is they have given. Consumer wholesaling, capital to by sales is 0.75, capital to assets is 0.6, capital to operating income is 10. That means total capital divided by total sales, we get 0.75 for the industry, whole industry. For specialty services, the service they provide, capital divided by sales is 1.1, capital divided by asset is 0.9, capital divided by operating income is 7, whereas assorted center, capital divided by sales is 1, capital divided by assets is 0.66. Like this, the industry ratio totally given. So our data is above table and the industry data is given below. For this, we have to calculate theoretical market value. So according to chop shop approach, we are going to take 3 segments, 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. So for each sector we are going to each division we are going to calculate the theoretical value, and that theoretical value we are going to add. So segment sales they have given, segment assets they have given, segment income they have given. Okay, here you see sales is there, assets is there, income is there. What is the market capitalization? See, they have given 4 million as market capitalization. So 4 divided by 1.5. Okay, for example, this above table contains industry valuation 0.75, 1.11. Okay, see 4 million capital is there. That is, they are asking us to find theoretical value. They have given capital divided by sales is 0.75. First one, we know sales 150. When we do this, we get the total capital of this segment. So by using a capital to sales ratio, by using like that 0.75 into 1.5 euros, like that 1.1 into 8 lakh euros, 1 into 2 crores euros, we get total for 40 lakhs 5,000. Like this, if we do with the capital to sales, segment sales. Okay, they have given wrongly capital to assets, capital to operating income. Here capital to assets, capital to operating income. Okay, assets they have given 7.5 lakh, 7 lakh, 30 lakhs euros. By multiplying these two by cross, we know capital divided by assets is 0.6. We can assets is given 7.5. So 7.5 into 0.6, we are going to get capital. Like that, 7 lakh, 30 lakh. Total theoretical value is 28 lakh 80,000 euros as per capital to assets ratio. Here capital to operating income. Operating income they have given. When we do, we get theoretical value 56 lakh 50,000. So average theoretical value we are going to take this. We get 4 lakh 41 lakh 78,000. So average theoretical value is 41 lakh 78,000. So the steps first we followed is, we have to decide the ratios we have to take and the competitor on the industry ratios, and the book value we have to take a sales, operating income or assets, and calculate theoretical value for each segment using each ratios, and average what ratios we have taken. For example, when we take assets, total market cap is 10,000. Operating income 50,000. Sales 30,000. So average this, we get total capitalization of the company. And if you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you.